Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Arrested on Cam, and the title of the video is Psycho Lady Refuses to Exit Vehicle, Gets Felony Charges. Let's get into the actual video. Let's see what they talking about.
And I came out because she drove down here at like 50 miles an hour, so I just came out to look, and I could hear her in her car screaming at me without...
Yeah, you don't get to leave right now.
I'm just trying to leave. You asked me to leave. You told me I can't.
Ma'am, just wait.
See?
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Just wait.
Okay. And I can hear her over there before. I never even said anything to her. I just came out to look to see who was speeding.
Yeah.
I could hear her over in the car going, "Hey, old man, get the fuck out of here. What the fuck are you looking at, motherfucker? Get the fuck away from me." Just going on with the F-bombs,
Okay.
right? So then she...
Hey, don't be reaching for stuff.
No, I'm just. All I'm doing is like getting.
Don't be reaching for stuff.
Okay, I can't. My car.
I know.
I can't reach for anything I want to reach for.
No, right now there's a disturbance, so no, you can't.
No, you can't just. Excuse me. No, absolutely not. You are absolutely not. Are you serious? No, you don't get to do that. You don't get to just touch my property. Are you kidding me right now? You're gonna assault me in my own car. Get out of my car,
Ma'am.
Don't touch me. Do not. What are you doing? No, you don't get to do that to me. Absolutely not.
Right now?
Absolutely not. Bro, you just broke my car. Stop! You don't get to assault me in my own car. I'm sitting here doing nothing.
Yeah. She's gonna say safety reasons. Done.
I'm trying to leave. I've done nothing wrong. This is horrible.
Get out.
Oh, no, stop!
Get out of the car.
No!
This is an order. Get out of the car.
No! No!
This is an order.
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong, and you're trying to assault me. Stop! Please stop! Please stop! Please let's
Get
see.
out of the car.
You're trying. Stop! I can't think, and I'm not okay.
Get out of the car.
Hello? No, I'm not okay. I'm not okay at all.
Get out of the car,
A
ma'am.
police officer is trying to assault me in that Osprey acre.
Get out of the car does not mean call and talk on the phone. But then the officer is the bad guy when this goes south.
Water Park, please come here now. Please come here.
22.
I'm
I'm more Yankee,
at
but this is
Osprey Acres, Stormwater Park. Please come here with Anthony. Please come here with whoever you can come here with immediately. Please help me, please.
Get out of the vehicle, ma'am.
Please help me, please.
Ma'am, get out of the vehicle. This is an order. We're trying to figure out what's going on. You're reaching inside a bag. I don't need you reaching inside a bag.
I was sitting in my car.
Ma'am, do not reach inside a bag.
This woman has opened my vehicle.
I have every right to be here right now. Yes, I do. Someone called
You
for
have no
disturbance.
right to come into my vehicle. I am in my car sitting.
Get out of the
You
vehicle.
opened my car and you crossed the line. You have no authority to come
Yes,
into
I
my...
do.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Right now?
Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
coming.
Please call him.
Everyone's coming.
Okay, please call him. This has escalated too much. This has escalated.
You're right, so get the fuck out of the
I
vehicle.
don't need to leave my vehicle because you
Right
opened
now?
my door. I was sitting
are
calm.
correct.
I was calmly
You are
and safely
correct.
in my car, and we.
Listen, what she fails to not realize is that if you are a woman and you get pulled over, if you've been watching me for a while, you know what I'm gonna say. If you new to the channel, you don't know what I'm gonna say, but pay attention. If you are a woman, the last type of officer you want to be dealing with is another woman cop, police officer. A female should not be dealing with a female. Look, you got better chances. If you're a female, you got better chances dealing with a male than dealing with a female, man, because she gonna be on timing, boy. She gonna be on your ass, boy. That's a fact.
could have had a discussion. But
Right
instead
now?
of that, you opened my
You
door
weren't
and
listening. You were
physically-
reaching inside your bag, ma'am. You weren't listening
my
to any of my commands.
I don't need to listen to your commands.
Yes, you
I
do.
don't feel
I'm
safe.
investigating a disturbance.
Well, you did not have to. You opened my door. The only reason my door is open
I
because you
opened
opened
your
it.
door. Yeah,
you
you're
physically,
fucking-
and I tried to lock my door, and you physically.
Well,
Look
you'll
at- she
just-
broke my door. She broke my door.
No one's broken.
You broke this. This was not like that.
Yes,
That-
it was.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Okay, right now. This officer is lying. I need so much help right now. I need help. I need my family.
You're right.
I need a supervisor.
There's other deputies coming, and that's why we're waiting.
Honestly, why did you open my door and break my door?
Because I'm investigating
You
a
broke my
disturbance.
door.
Ma'am, if you had listened to my commands, there wouldn't have been any broken
If
door.
you didn't open my door so aggressively, I would have listened to you.
You didn't what?
You opened my window.
I'm not gonna argue with it.
You aggressively
I'm not
tried to
gonna
come
argue
into my door.
I'm not arguing with
I was
you.
trying to exit. Stop, Iggy, stop. Stop, Iggy, for 1 minute. Stop. I was trying to exit. I'm currently at Spray Cove. I'm trying to exit with my service dog training. I was told to leave, so I'm leaving. I was in the process of leaving, and then I was stopped by this cop who very aggressively opened my door, which
I
was
asked
locked.
you to get out of the vehicle 3 times before I opened the door.
It was locked. The door was locked. You aggressively opened the window as I was
asked you nicely
and
to
I
get
said
out
no.
of the vehicle.
I didn't want to get out of the vehicle.
Prior to, it doesn't matter. I'm investigating a disturbance. It really doesn't matter.
You could have asked me questions through the window. There's no reason I have to exit the vehicle. There's absolutely no reason. This was escalated beyond necessary.
Yeah, because you're reaching inside of a purse and she doesn't know what's in there.
Then you.
Ma'am, I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not arguing. I'm stating what happened. You physically broke my door.
Ma'am, no, I didn't. If you want, you can find the piece, but I did not break
You
your door.
broke that. That wasn't.
Okay, then find the piece. If I broke it right now, the piece will be right there.
We're gonna find it. I'm gonna find it.
Go for it. Find it.
It's here because that wasn't broken.
No, it
that was
wasn't.
not broken. It wasn't broken. I'm gonna find it. But my dog is upset, and I have a lot of cops here, and I'm on my own, and I'm scared, and all I want to do is leave. It's all I want to do, and I don't know why you had to escalate the situation. You opened my door when I had it locked. I don't know how you did that. You stuck your hand through the window. Why would you?
And you rolled up the window on my own.
I rolled up the window to close it, but you were aggressively. Damn it.
Come
And
on
now-
this side so I can see you. So,
Are you the
he stopped.
supervisor?
I was just coming to do a check. an area check. He stopped me, telling me that there was a disturbance, and as soon as I stop out, she starts yelling.
And we have a female supervisor. Oh yeah, boy. Your ass is grass, boy. It's over.
She's reaching for her bag. I tell her to step out of it, but she's not listening. So then she goes to close the window, so I get my arm and I open the door from the inside. And
I can't hear what you're saying.
she's not listening to any commands, and she's going to jail. So because she found me, so I can't get her out of the car. So
Are you guys ready to
get out of the vehicle. I'm gonna ask you one more time. Get out of the
I
vehicle.
want to speak to your supervisor. No, stop! You can't do that to me. You can't physically remove me. You can't do this. What are you doing? I've done nothing wrong. Why are you trying to arrest me? I've done nothing. I don't understand how you can do this to me. I was leaving. How are you going to arrest me when I did nothing? Is this what you want? I was leaving, sir. You know I was leaving. Why would you do this to me? Why? Please tell me why. Why are you doing this to me when I was
Get her in cuffs. I got her.
This has never happened to me before. This can't happen. Please, can we please don't try to do this. Can we please have a conversation? I don't understand why you're being so aggressive. What about my stuff? Stop moving. Can you please just... I didn't even do anything. How could this...
You're right. It didn't have to happen this way. If you listened, it wouldn't have happened this way.
You were so aggressive. You physically reached into my
Yeah,
car.
because I gave you a verbal order to get out of the car.
But I wasn't feeling safe and I didn't do
Okay,
anything.
that sucks.
I don't understand why you have to be so aggressive.
Then the backup officer is another girl. Oh my God. Not one, not two, but 3 of them. You're done. You're so toast.
You didn't listen to my commands.
I was leaving.
Okay.
This gentleman told me I can't be here, so I left. So I was on my way out, and now I'm getting arrested for. There's nothing in my hair except for my hair tie.
Okay, I got you.
Okay, but I don't have anything.
Right your brother.
Okay, there's nothing. Oh my! There's the piece. There's the piece you broke off my car that you insisted you
Stop
didn't.
moving.
Can you
Stop moving.
It's right there. It's right there. See it? Did you see it? Do you see the piece of my car
moving you to the...
Wait, please wait, please wait, please, please.
Go like this.
Just
Here,
please
stop.
wait.
You're gonna go.
I don't understand how this is happening when I do nothing wrong.
Do this.
This is...
This hold. Follow exact. Nope, let go completely.
Oh my God.
Turn the other way.
Who's gonna take care of my dog and my stuff?
And then go through
Wait.
her arm.
You guys don't
Go
care
up
anything
and
about
over
me,
her
huh?
arm.
Do you? I'm just a criminal
Let-
to you now.
Through there and up
You're
and
gonna
over her
get a sip
shoulder.
of
There
water
you go.
even? What about my... Can I ask what's gonna happen to my stuff, my car? No one cares. No one cares? No one gives a shit.
Ma'am, you haven't listened to anything that I've said.
Because you're not making me feel safe and you broke into my car. There's the piece I
in
need.
the car.
What's gonna happen to my car?
Get in the car.
Can you answer me? Why are you guys so horribly aggressive?
Get
I'm
in
not
the
even a
vehicle.
criminal. All
No.
I did was not listen to you and you're treating me like this?
If you want, we can hog tie you, or you can get in the car.
No, I absolutely don't want that.
Okay.
Jesus, can I ask what happened to my phone or my
I'll
belongings?
get your phone.
Why are you treating me like this?
We need a statement from him.
You need a splash?
I ain't gonna lie. I like the supervisor, the black lady. She ain't saying nothing. All business. All business. Straight work. She came, she rolled up, heard her side of the story, the officer, boom. Okay, whatever the officer wanna do, you know, they gonna do. You know what I mean? So all business. I ain't got time to play with you. I ain't talking to you, man. Throw you up in here, man. Act right.
Sorry about all that.
It's all
But,
good. Do you have an ID on you real quick?
Yeah, absolutely. All I did was, the whole situation stemmed from, all I did was ask her that she can't have her dog out here.
Yeah.
And that just pissed her right off. She did not, then I got called all kinds of names and she went to leave. But she's not not a very friendly person. There's me.
Thank you.
The email has changed a little bit. There's the number. Was somebody else complaining about her?
No,
That's perfect timing.
I was just coming over here to do an area check. I like to check the, you know, like, especially where people are hiking and stuff like that.
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
came over here to check that, and you called me over, and I was like, okay. Okay. So, can you just run through what happened with
All right,
her?
I'm right here.
Yeah.
All set. I'm here every day,
Yep.
most of the day, so I know what traffic's like. I know people out here. This car, I mean, really fast. So I was
Right.
like, I got up to go out here because we had kids hiking.
Yeah.
So I went out, and I walked through the gate, and I was just looking to see who it was. And I can hear her going, saying things like, "What the fuck you looking at, old man, motherfucker? Get the fuck out!" I mean, just went off like that. Not talking to me, but like she wants me to hear. You know, I'm like, dang, somebody's having a bad day. So then I came back, and I was gonna get in that ATV, and I was gonna go do a check,
Right.
like I do in first thing in the morning. And I figured I'd just leave her alone. Maybe a walk will help this person. But then she had her dog, no vest.
Right.
We have complaints like you wouldn't believe from patrons and dogs.
Right.
And we signs are everywhere. So I said, you can't have that dog out here. She's like, then she went ate on that, going, it's a service dog in training. I'm like, you have to have a vest. And then that's when she blew up and just started with the profanity, heading back to her car. And
Okay.
that was it.
Okay. And then,
But I pointed because I wanted you to know, man, she was belligerent.
right.
And she was probably going to turn around.
Right. So you called me over there, and then I was just trying to get the info, and then
Yeah.
she wasn't listening to my commands, and
Correct.
And now she's going to jail because all she had to do was listen, and she could have
it.
been on her way. So
I think she's got some mental issues. She probably should get checked.
yeah,
She get you?
yeah. This is, I think, the window. I'm not. It's all bruised up though.
Sorry about that.
No, it's all good.
If people would just comply, I don't understand.
Yeah,
So many things. You know?
I don't get it because all she had to do was listen, and then she wouldn't have had to go to jail.
Yeah.
So basically, he tells her to leave just because she doesn't have a legit service dog. And he's like, you can't be here. And so she starts swearing at him. I was just doing an area check, so I just came over. And he started pointing at her and, like, waving me down. And then he gets off. He comes over towards me. And he's telling me that the disturbance happened. I haven't gotten much details, but she's...
Where is this? This is a whole female crew. Like, the whole crew is females. Like, the whole crew. The supervisors, everybody. The sergeants, the corporals, the regular officers, all female crew, man.
Reaching for shit in her car, and I say stop reaching, and she doesn't stop reaching. So then I say open, like, get out of the car. And I have no idea what happened at this point. Literally, she could have just left, but instead she wanted to fight me. I told her to get out of the car. She wouldn't get out of the car, so then she started rolling up her window, though, at the same time. So then I pushed down on the window and am able to open it from the inside, so that way she can at least, that way I'm in between the car and her. And I get the door open, and then I just wait for you guys, and then you saw the rest. So, but it didn't have to be anything. Literally, she could have just left, but then she wanted to fight me and not listen to any of my orders. And yeah, it was a stupid thing, but are you so hot? Yeah.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.